In this video, we're going to talk about how we can multiply a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. Alright, so here we have 42 multiply with 3. Okay, now what we need to do is, of course there are different ways of doing it. I'm going to show you one method in this video and another method in other videos. Alright, so first method is we take the 2-digit number and split it up into its ones and tens. Alright, so 42 can be split up into its ones and tens. So ones is 2, so that is 2, and the tens, so this is the ones digit and this is the tens digit. So the tens is place value number is 4, so for tens you have a value of 40. Okay, because 40 plus 2 gives us 42. Alright, so what we can do is we can now take this 40 plus 2 and rewrite it over here. Okay, so 42 is 40 plus 2, and this whole thing is going to be multiplied by 3. Okay, and now the next step is to multiply the ones and the tens separately with the single digit number. Alright, so we have the ones number, which is 2, so we have 2 times 3, and we have the tens number, which is 40, so we have 40 times 3. Okay, and then we add both of them together. Okay, so what is 40 times 3? Okay, so when we have a multiple of 10 multiplied with a single digit, we just multiplying the two numbers which are the single digit here plus the tens value here, 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, and since it is 40, we add a 0. So for this 40 over here, we add one more 0 to make it 120. Okay, and then 2 times 3, you get 6. So 120 plus 6, you get 126. So that is the final answer for this question, 42 times 3. Okay, so again, just let me quickly recap. The first step is take the the 2-digit number and split it into its ones and tens. Alright, as you can see over here. So 42 will give you 40 plus 2, and then we multiply the tens with the single digit and then the ones with the single digit. Alright, and once we have the two answers, we add them up together to get the final answer. Alright, so this is how we can perform a multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.